My name is Cy Ullman. I'm the Mebane Community Park Supervisor. We are in Mebane, North Carolina, and I am in charge of this 32-acre park, anywhere from landscaping to overseeing everything in the grounds. We never had the opportunity to have a park like this when I was growing up, and for me to be able to work in this environment and give back to the community that gave back to me as well has been a very special thing. And obviously a lot of people enjoy this park with the traffic that we have and the excitement that I see on the kids' faces. So I do take the details of this park very personally. I take them home with me as well sometimes. Our Gamasonic lights are fantastic here at the park. We chose Gamasonic over the traditional lighting system because they still provide the same amount of brightness. The installation costs were much lower. The lights fantastically work from dusk till dawn and give off a great amount of light on the pool of the walkway to make our patrons feel safe, and it makes me feel comfortable when I leave from here at 5 o'clock every day to know that everybody is safe here with perfectly lighted pathways.